Hi there, this is LT Survival. In today's video, it's a knife review, but it's more of a novelty knife review. Stay tuned, we'll be right back. Well, the name we give to these knife is dog tag knife because they look like the second part of the American dog tag. You've got all kinds of shapes. You've got rounds. You've got penny type knife like that. They're novelty knife mainly. It could be useful if you are wearing dog tags and would like to have a blade with them. You could use those. They're kind of heavy for a dog tag. You would feel it, but they're 3CR13 for the blade and 420 stainless steel. Yeah, it's a 420 stainless steel for the body and aluminum alloy for the rest. So not much to it. They're friction lock. They're not locking. Not most of them, but this one anyway. And they're chisel grind. So one grind on this side with this secondary bevel, and the rest is flat. Makes for a sharp knife. It works, okay, but durability wouldn't be that great. I really don't like 3CR13. It's more a novelty knife, steel, very cheap, stainless, that you find in non-quality item usually. For the novelty of it, like this, yeah. I have a small fixed blade Karambit neck knife. Okay, I would be one-time use probably, and it would go dull or it would break. The steel is not that strong depending on how it's made. For the Karambit I have, it's not that great, and it would probably break at the end of the first use, but that's the purpose of the thing. This is a little more durable, okay, and there's not much to it beside the chisel grind. So if you, I have to see my screen. If you look at it, it's a very simple blade with a grind on this side, secondary bevel here. You've got a friction lock on it, two pieces of stainless. One is cut to create the locking ball for the friction, okay, and there's a big pivot on one side and a small chain to put on your dog tag. Not much to it. When it folds, the chisel grind has the particularity of hiding the blade into the metal, and the metal is grooved just a little slightly so that the edge goes in, or not even. The edge doesn't go in, but it stays very close to it, so you can't cut yourself. Simple design, simple novelty. You could use that as a dog tag per se. It's bigger than the American, well, not that much bigger. If we go on my dog tags here, I have an American style dog tag. Let me, that's hidden here. You can't see it. I would have to move the camera. So basically it's about 3/4 of the size of a Canadian dog tag. American dog tag's pretty much the same size, a little shorter, so a little stubbier, but you could wear that with your dog tags. It will cling a lot, but you could wear that. It's more of a novelty thing. Yeah, that's why I bought it, just for the fun of it. I have a very small blade that you could put on your dog tags, things like that. So not much to it, just an item that you could wear on you all the time to have a blade that would look like a pendant, okay. You would wear that, okay, and people would see colors and they wouldn't realize necessarily that it is a knife if they don't look at it very long, but obviously it is a knife. So just a novelty. So that's it. Not much to say about this knife. It doesn't cost very much. I paid $3.99, $3.39 for it. Now they're at $5.09. So a couple of years ago, but about $3. Okay, they come on sale all the time. They're just fun to have because you can show people, hey, look at this knife, and it's small. So as a small knife, as a collectibles, yeah. As a utility knife, not sure. If that's the only thing you got, well, that's the only thing you got. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, and subscribe as usual. And we'll see you in the next, maybe a more serious video.